you for the anger for this has happened.
Please, lang katang request na kaliyan ko. Long yang naman yan,
This is house. All will be located in Dhahan Kitty and private bungalow. Everything is arranged, everything has been done. They are obeying, they are complying, they are cooperating with. No, this is not about 1 day, 2 days and all. We have issued already the relocation notice, giving them 1 month time. And today is the day for their relocation.
They are accept or not that?
Yeah, they have accepted, all accepted.
And sir, regarding the hawkers from the jail road, sir, what about them, sir?
No, that's a different issue.
Okay, so can you tell us, sir, because they
That's a
were...
different issue. We'll take action accordingly.
Okay, sir.